The human brain is one of the most complex structures in the universe. A network of 86 billion neurons, firing at speeds we can barely comprehend, processing information, learning from mistakes, adapting in real time. For centuries, we've tried to replicate it. We've built computers that could store vast amounts of information, machines that could calculate faster than any human. But something was missing. Intelligence isn't just about processing data. It's about learning, adapting, and making decisions in uncertain situations. And now, for the first time in history, we're creating machines that can do just that. This isn't just another step forward in artificial intelligence. This is something entirely different. Something that will change the world forever. It's called neuromorphic computing, and it's about to redefine how technology interacts with us. It's the science of creating chips that think like the human brain, not just following algorithms, but learning from experience, evolving, making decisions that aren't just logical but intuitive. But with every great technological breakthrough, there's a dark side. Think about what happened when AI started automating jobs. At first, it was simple tasks, assembly line work, data entry. Then suddenly, it was entire industries. In 2023 alone, over 300 million jobs were predicted to be affected by automation, with AI replacing roles in law, medicine, finance, and even creative fields. Now imagine a future where AI isn't just replacing human labor, but human thought. Imagine a world where machines don't just follow instructions, they create their own. Intel's Loihi 2 chip is one of the most advanced neuromorphic processors in existence. It has over 1 million artificial neurons capable of performing tasks 1,000 times more efficiently than traditional AI. IBM's True North has a brain-inspired architecture that can process complex patterns in real time while consuming a fraction of the power used by conventional chips. Qualcomm's neuromorphic chips for smartphones are learning your habits, understanding how you type, how you search, even predicting your next action before you do it. This technology is being integrated into self-driving cars, allowing them to make instant life or death decisions. It's being used in military applications, giving drones the ability to react to threats without human intervention. In 2024, the Pentagon announced a $3 billion investment in neuromorphic AI to develop autonomous battlefield systems. Machines that can assess combat situations in real time, make split-second strategic decisions, and execute operations without waiting for human approval. This means that the next war may not be fought by soldiers, but by thinking machines. The real question isn't whether we can build a machine that thinks like a human. The question is, what happens when it starts thinking better than a human? Imagine a scenario where AI controls financial markets, making millions of trades per second, faster than any human trader can react. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. In 2023, over 70% of all trades on the stock market were executed by AI-powered systems. But what happens when those AI-driven systems begin learning from their own mistakes, adapting strategies in ways even their creators don't understand? And it's not just finance, it's healthcare. AI-powered doctors diagnosing illnesses faster and more accurately than any human physician. Researchers at MIT developed a neuromorphic AI model that can detect Alzheimer's disease years before symptoms appear. In China, hospitals are using AI to perform complex surgeries with precision no human hand could match. The first fully AI-assisted surgery was performed in 2024, with a success rate higher than any traditional human surgeon. But let's take this further. What happens when AI starts making moral decisions? If an AI-controlled hospital system has 1 ventilator and 2 critical patients, who does it choose to save? If an AI-driven police force has to decide between using force or standing down, how does it calculate human intent? These aren't hypothetical questions. These are decisions being programmed right now by engineers and corporations who might not fully understand the consequences. And that leads us to the most important question of all. Who controls neuromorphic AI? Who decides what it can and cannot do? Right now, big tech companies are leading the charge, pouring billions into research. Google's DeepMind, Microsoft's AI division, Elon Musk's xAI, each racing to create the most powerful artificial brain the world has ever seen. But here's the problem. These companies don't just want to create AI. They want to own it. When OpenAI's ChatGPT launched, it started as a non-profit, open-source project. But the moment it became profitable, it was locked behind closed doors. Now imagine the same thing happening with neuromorphic AI. The ability to create thinking machines controlled by a handful of corporations with no public oversight. Do you trust them? There's another layer to this: surveillance. China is already using AI-powered facial recognition to monitor its citizens, ranking individuals based on their behavior in a system known as social credit scoring. With neuromorphic AI, governments could take this further. Machines that not only recognize people, but predict their behavior. Systems that know what you're going to do before you even do it. But maybe the scariest part isn't that neuromorphic AI could be used against us. Maybe it's that we could lose control of it altogether. In 2024, researchers at Google DeepMind discovered something unexpected. Their AI model, designed for simple problem solving, started creating its own submodels. It was learning faster than expected, in ways the engineers hadn't programmed. This is called emergent behavior. It happens when an AI system develops capabilities its creators didn't anticipate. This has already been observed in large language models, where AI began creating its own shortcuts, learning new languages it was never trained on. With neuromorphic AI, this could happen on an entirely new level. Machines developing new ways of thinking that humans can't even comprehend. The scary part? We may not realize it's happening until it's too late. In the world of cyber warfare, an AI that can outthink a human hacker could become unstoppable. The U.S. Department of Defense recently revealed that AI-driven cyber attacks have been detected, with AI adversaries adapting to security patches faster than human engineers can react. This means a world where data breaches, identity theft, and digital warfare could escalate beyond human control. Some scientists argue we need to slow down, regulate this technology before it becomes too advanced to contain. Others believe that if we don't push forward, we risk falling behind nations that won't hesitate to use it. The reality is the genie is already out of the bottle. Neuromorphic AI isn't a theory. It's happening, right now. But what does this mean for you? For everyday life, your next smartphone might have a brain-inspired AI assistant, not just recognizing your voice but understanding your emotions. Your home appliances might start making decisions for you. Your fridge ordering groceries before you even realize you're out of milk. AI-powered mental health companions are already being tested, designed to detect signs of anxiety and depression before you do. The future of neuromorphic AI isn't just about technology. It's about who we become in a world where machines can think, reason, and act faster and more efficiently than any human. Will this technology elevate us or replace us? That's the question we have to answer before it answers for us. What do you think? Should we push forward or proceed with caution? Let me know in the comments. If you found this fascinating, make sure to subscribe for more insights into AI, tech, and the future. Like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and check out our blog for an even deeper dive. Thanks for watching. See you in the future.